Alright guys, now I want to let you know where I purchased all of my items from, so let's get started. So this clock here, I purchased this at Home Goods. This looks like an antique kind of clock. That way I can keep time when I'm in a bathroom instead of hollering asking someone to tell me the time. And then the tissue box along with the cup and the toothbrush holder and the soap dispenser. I got all those items at Home Goods. And just to warn you, a lot of my items I did purchase at Home Goods. That is one of my favorite stores. And the lily here, the flower here that I purchased, I got this at Ross. The artificial flower here, I purchased at Home Goods. And the towels right here, I purchased these towels at Home Goods. And then the solid color towels I purchased at Target. Let's see, and a little tassel here. I've had these for a long time, so I'm not really sure where I purchased that item from. Then on the other side, it's the same thing. So I have the towels over here also. And leave a comment below if you would like for me to do a video and show you how I was able to get my towels like this. Okay, and then the gold metal wall art, I purchased that at Home Goods also. Let's see. The little loofah charcoal kit, I purchased that at Amazon. I got that mostly for my husband. He really enjoys and uses these type of items in the shower. And then these rugs here, I purchased these at Home Goods. And the one on top though, I purchased at Walmart. And what I did here was just layer my rugs. I wanted to use both colors in both rugs, so I just layered them on top of each other. There's no set rules of what you can do, so just do what you enjoy and what you like. See the stool here, I purchased this at Home Goods. Look at that, it's really a cute stool. Actually, my girlfriend, really good friend of mine, she sent me a gift card and I went and purchased that item at Home Goods. Thank you. And then the basket here, I purchased at Home Goods. And then inside is just my soap and shaver and facial creams and that type of thing. Another flower here, I purchased this at Ross. Moving over here, we have the vase. The vase was purchased at Home Goods. See, and the soap dish that was purchased at Home Goods. But the flowers here, they're really pretty. I purchased these at Hobby Lobby. And they usually have a sale about every 2 to 3 weeks on all their floral. It'll be 40% off. See, in these jars here, I purchased these at Amazon. The gold little jars. They're like the plastic acrylic. And then I have the mussel bath salt. You can purchase that at Walmart, Target, or anything like that. Then we have the bath bombs here. And my daughter actually sent me these. I believe she purchased those on Amazon also. You put them in the water and it smells so good. The towels here, the decorative towels. I purchased these here at Home Goods. And then the solid color towels I purchased at Target. There's another gold metal wall art. I purchased that at Home Goods. And then right here above the window, I have 3 flower metal pieces that's gold in it, like a darker gold, and then it looks like it's trimmed in brown. Sorry about that, the light is kind of blocking, so you're not getting a good view of that. Okay, moving right along here. This is what I call my little spa area. So it's in the basket again at Home Goods. And I just have like towels in here, dry brush. And then I have this right here. This is a scrubber. It's a coffee scrubber. Scrub that all on your body and it feels so good. Get all that dead skin off. Another little sponge scrubber right there. And see my little facial brush. Then I just threw a little flower in there, and then this right here I just put on the floor. It's actually a bathtub rug. and I purchased that also at Home Goods. And all the accessories in the basket, I either purchased that on Amazon online, or the flour, I know that came from Home Goods or Walmart, Target, those type of places. Again, that's just another rug. And I got all of my rugs that's on the floor from Walmart. Then that's another basket that goes with the set, and that's from Home Goods. And then this is actually, even though it's the toilet area, this is actually, I really enjoyed decorating this area. So those, I just made a little cute little display in this basket that I purchased at Home Goods, and that's just all of the extra toilet paper, so that way you won't run out. Just grab one. Then I have the vase here. This vase I've had for a long time. I'm not really sure where I purchased that item from, but all of the sticks and the dried flowers, I purchased that in a little set at actually Hobby Lobby or Michael's, I'm not really sure. And then we have this beautiful wall art. I think this is so cute. I got that at Home Goods also. Let's see. Then these vases kind of remind you of like a feather, maybe like a feather design on them if you look at them. And I got these two vases at Home Goods. Then I ordered these little artificial like baby's breath. They're gold, and I purchased those online at Amazon. Then these containers again at Amazon. Here's more containers. Then this little love sign I've already had. A little candle back there, purchased that at Home Goods. Let's see, more flowers here, Hobby Lobby. This vase here I've had for a long time, probably Hobby Lobby, probably Home Goods most likely. This little flesh sign, I actually made that. I just purchased the letters individually, and then I glued them on to this flat surface. And with the rope, that part was already on there, and I painted those gold. So I made that. I like to do DIYs too, you guys. Then let's see, the dry wicker natural looking balls I purchased. It came in like a bag with a few of them in there. I got that at Home Goods. And then the beaded, the wood bead garland with the tassel. I thought that was so cute when I saw that. I got that at Home Goods also. And then, let's see, you see that, the little vase here. This vase, it's like a cream color, but then it has like other little color, like a little dark brown or dark, like a golden color or something. I got that there at Home Goods. And then this flower, and then the dried flowers, and then a little spirals and all of that. I got that in a set, except for that flower. I got all of that though at Hobby Lobby. Again, the rug set at Walmart. So that's all of the items that I purchased and where I purchased them from. So I hope you guys enjoyed my bathroom makeover, because I really enjoyed putting this together. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more videos, and I have a lot more to come. And I hope that I inspired you with my bathroom makeover, maybe to go ahead and upgrade or make over your bathroom also. And don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe button. That way you can be notified of the next upload. So I do have many more videos to come. Well, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.